Today we want to share how to convert measurements with unlike units. And what we mean by that is that we're going, in this case, from feet to inches. We need to know how many inches are in 9 feet. So there's a formula that we follow, and it works pretty slick. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up two proportional fractions. On the left side, we have to find the relationship between feet and inches. So I'm going to write my label, feet over inches, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side, feet over inches. On the left side, I'm going to use my conversion charts to help me. So I need to figure out the relationship between feet and inches, and that will help with the proportion so that I can get my inches on the other side. So I look and I know that for every 1 foot there is 12 inches. On the other side, on the right side, they're giving me 9 feet and I have to figure out how many inches. We don't know that yet, so we'll call that x. And now we're ready to cross multiply. So I multiply, forgetting the labels, the 12 and the 9, and the 1 and the x. When I multiply 1 times x, I just get another 1x, or we can simply say x. When I multiply 12 and 9, if I don't know that off the top of my head, I can come off to the side and write 12 times 9 and do it the good old-fashioned way. So 2 times 9 is 18, 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. I plug x in where it needs to go above, which is right up here. And after my proportion fractions, I can say that 9 feet equals 108 inches. All right, let's try one more just so we get the hang of it with fluid ounces and cups. Let's pretend we have 8 cups. And we want to know how many fluid ounces 8 cups is equal to. So just as we did before, we're going to set up two fractions. The labels are already given to us, cups and fluid ounces, so I'll do the same here. Same thing for the numerator and denominator on the right side. And now I start to look at my relationships. So I look at my conversion chart and I say, what's the relationship between cups and fluid ounces? And I find that for every 1 cup, we have 8 fluid ounces. Next, I go to the right side, and I take what they give me. They give me 8 cups, so I will write 8 cups. We don't know the fluid ounces, so I'm going to put an X in that spot. Now I'm ready to look at the numbers and cross multiply. 8 times 8, 1 times x. Usually the x goes on the left, but in any rate, it doesn't really matter. I'll say x equals 8 times 8. That one we should know in our heads. 64. So what I got for x, I'm going to plug it in to my blank number up here, blank spot. 8 cups equals 64 fluid ounces. So once again, if you follow those steps, use those proportional fractions, use your conversion chart, and you flat out know how to multiply and divide, everything is going to be just fine. Thanks for watching. Good luck.